This is our Barefaced Facial Razor, and I'm going to show you how to properly remove the cap and also the razor blade when that's ready to be tossed. All right, so first you're using the thumb section here, pop the razor out. Then what you're going to do is you don't want to grab it out like this. There's a risk that if your hand slips, it can cut your finger. So you're going to want to hold it on the sides. The blade is here. You're going to want to hold it right on the sides like this so you can slide it right out. If there's any resistance, the cap might not be on properly. And if you notice, there are two little notches on this blade. Same thing here. There's two little notches. So when you reapply the razor blade, you're going to, again, hold it on the sides, not top to bottom, slide it right in. If you're meeting any resistance, sometimes you don't realize it, but you're putting on the cap the wrong way. See that resistance? If there's any resistance there, that means obviously it's going on the wrong way. Don't keep pushing if there's resistance. Flip the razor, put that on there, and you'll hear it snap in. It should always snap in, and there should be very, very little resistance to pull it off. Now, when you're ready to take off the blade itself, again, no resistance. What you're going to want to do is you want to make sure that the cap is on. Do not try to take off the blade with the cap off. What you're going to notice right here is a little indentation, and you can put your nail there. All you do is push it with your finger and it slides right off. Now, this is supposed to only go on and off one time. You don't want to slide these things off and on. It'll loosen the connection. So again, put your finger in that little divot, push your fingernail, and it slides right off. If it's facing the wrong way, you're trying to put on a new blade and you're noticing resistance, again, always holding it with the sides, never holding it on the area where the blade is. Oh, that means the razor blade's going on the wrong way. So slide it off with your finger, redirect, and put it on right like that. And then store it in this case. I also recommend whenever you're taking off the blade, getting ready to shave your face, do this before you do your skincare so your hands are completely dry. There's no slip, there's no oil. I have done this with oily hands. It's a challenge. And again, dry hands, just go ahead and take the blade off, put it to the side, wash your face, do your toning pads, put your oil on, but make sure this blade is already off. So that way there's no chance that your hands have any type of like skincare product on them. Happy face shaving.